AGTEK Tech Tip: assigning rim elevations from multiple surfaces. When computing the trench volumes from your underground takeoff, it may be desired to install the pipelines prior to grading the site, depending on the site conditions. Now, for example, it may be more cost-effective to place the pipes first in the fill areas to reduce the amount of trench excavation. Now, to see which runs of pipe are in fills, we can use the cut fill map from the earthwork takeoff as a background image. So return to grade work. Go to plan view mode, and the color cut fill map will display. Click the Add Cut Fill Image button on the toolbar. The background image will be added, so return to Materials. Then click the Image Selection button. Insert the subgrade versus stripped image. You can see a majority of the pipelines are in fill areas. While it may not be feasible to install all the pipe first, we may be able to reduce the amount of trench excavation on some of the storm and sewer lines. And you can see if we calculate the whole job using subgrade as the rim, we have just over 1,500 cubic yards of excavation. And we'll first select all the storm and sewer lines from the trench volume report, so display the summary to select the pipelines. You can hold the Shift key to select multiple pipe structures. Then click the Assign Rim button and check Selected Pipes and click OK. Then check Stripped and click OK. Now you can see some of the pipe ends up being above the ground, which would not be possible. So to see which runs of pipe are above ground, display the Depth Brackets report. Then on the Depth Bracket report, right-click on the bracket heading and check Above. And this will add a column showing how many feet are above ground. So select any pipes or laterals that show a length above ground and reassign them back to subgrade. There should now be no pipe above ground. So if we view the trench volume report, we can see we now have just over 1,300 cubic yards, reducing the total excavation by nearly 200 yards.